Hey guys, Jason Young here, and welcome to my review of I Am Checklist Volume 5. And this checklist is about video marketing. Now, in this review, what we'll be going over is the members area. We'll also be going over the sales page, and in addition to that, we'll be going through our bonus packages. Now, since we're on the bonus page, I'm going to go through this bonuses or all the bonuses that I've put together for this particular launch. You can ignore the video. This is just a placeholder. Now, the bonus packages that I have left actually are going to be 25, and once this countdown goes down to 0, these packages will be gone. Now, they can be pretty much be gone by either one or two ways. It's either that they can be gone once the packages run out, or they can be gone once the timer goes out to 0. Now, as you can see here, I have some information that we'll go over in a little bit, but here I want to get into some of my custom bonuses that I have for I Am Checklist Volume 5. Now, for the first one, it's going to be video marketing for beginners. This is my, of course, beginner ebook on video marketing. So this is going to go through a lot of the basic stuff that if you're a complete newbie to video marketing, you'll be able to pretty much be able to get an understanding of what's involved or required of video marketing, and then you'll be able to make better use of the checklist. Now, online video marketing, ma'am, this is a special little course here about video marketing and using video marketing to make money. Won't go into too much on that. Video marketing hack is also about, as the name suggests, hacks for video marketing. So these are little tips and tricks that can help to make your video marketing much more profitable and also make the effectiveness of your videos better. I was going to say effective. And this one is a special course. This is called No Cost Income Stream 2.0. Now this is a course built all around using video and in a no-cost manner to create a second income stream or an income stream if this is your first one. Now we do also have some second bonuses. These are semi-exclusive bonuses which you can pretty much find anywhere else. These four mentioned above here, you probably won't find them with any other vendor. You can go ahead and check and look into that, but I'm pretty sure that these four bonuses, you won't find them anywhere else. Now, these you'll probably find, but I thought they were very relevant to video marketing and believe that would add value, so I added them anyway. This one is called Explode Your YouTube Channel. This one is Banking with Bonuses. Language Lazy Method, this is the first way I actually started to rank videos. So, and I actually made money off this too. So this method actually works. It's pretty much the basic thing that you would need right now for ranking, but for less competitive launches, I still use this method and I really like it a lot. Now this is another one about viral bonuses, and the final one is 10K commissions, which talks about putting everything together: videos, emails, bonuses to create a killer campaign. Now all these bonuses are yours if you go ahead and buy through the link that's in the description. This is an affiliate link, of course, so if you go ahead and purchase through this, I will be compensated. However, I believe that for the value that you're getting, which is all these bonuses here, it's a pretty good deal. Now let's go ahead and look at the sales page so we can talk about this review a bit more. All right. So get the exact 20 step-by-step checklist I use to harness the power of video, generate instant free traffic that's 80 times more likely to buy from you. Now, before I get into the sales page a bit more, one of the things I've been recently realizing this year is that video marketing on a whole, I think it's very underused. And if they're able to get your foot in the door when it comes to video marketing, more specifically all around YouTube, I think that you'll be setting up yourself to create income stream that is going to make you a lot of money. I realize that a lot of big vendors now or marketers are who have mastered one particular uh, method or medium for communicating with customers are taking a big dive into video. For example, Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income blog. He has done really well with this blog, and now he's switching over to YouTube and putting more of a focus there because YouTube is one of the most targeted pieces of traffic that you can get right now. And for right now, it's free. And even if you're going the paid route, which I've done only once though, it it's actually very cheap. I don't ever remember AdWords being that cheap, but I got a bunch of views for like 30 bucks, and that's because I was running 3 ads. So it was close to around 500 or 700 views, I think. Not sure, but it was up there. And if you are getting that in clicks from AdWords right now, it would not cost you 30 bucks, I assure you. All right, so sorry to get off on a bit of a tangent, but I'm actually really excited about this one. So I just wanted to add that little tidbit in there. All right, so create simple videos and earn passive income without being on camera. Captivate your audience with highly engaging videos. Boost your subscriber fast and get more video likes. Dominate the search results. Build huge email list of buyers. Create high quality, high converting, and PLR included. So there's a lot of cool information here. As of right now, the sales page seems 90% complete, but as you can see, these are some of the income proof that the person is making. Now, Kevin is teaming up with a guy called Mark Laxton. I'm not familiar with him, but if he's hanging out with Kevin, he obviously must know what he's doing. And they've come together to actually create these checklists. And as you can see, there's a lot of information here. What I recommend is that you just go through, read the sales page. As you can see, the sales page does a pretty good job of actually explaining what these checklists are all about, as you can see here, and there's 20 of them. They also give you the PLR stipulations as well. So really nice sales page. This is what you'll be clicking on if clicking on to if you click any one of these gold, bronzish color buttons from my bonus page. Now, as you can see, the bonus buttons here will just clicking on these will bring you to the sales page, and from there, you will be able to purchase these checklists. All right, so let's head into the members area. Now, if you've seen an IM checklist review from me before or anybody else, the dashboard looks pretty much the same, and to be honest, there isn't any real reason to change it. Of course, you'll have 20 marketing checklists. The first one is going to be printable PDF downloads. Clicking on any one of these will actually just open a checklist, and from here you'll be able to print it. Now, you have interactive checklists like Excel, Google, and Trello, and then you have the interactive mind map here. And that's pretty much it. When it comes to using them, all you'd have to do pretty much is just click, and this will give you your PDF. Probably gonna have to blur this out. There you go. So here I will give you a PDF, and from here you print it. And from here, this will open up in Excel, but I'm not going to open Excel because Excel is going to pretty much slow down my PC. So here's the Google Docs. Opens up in Google Docs, and from here you'll be able to make edits. Well, I assume that you'll probably have to make a copy of this and make edits because it's only on view only. And you can request access, but I would just go ahead, make a copy, save it to your own drive. and then you should be able to edit. Let's close that. And then you have Trello as well. Just clicking on it will give you access just the same. And this is it loading up right now. You're gonna have to sign into Trello to get these cards, but I believe this is free anyway, so there's no cost for that whatsoever. All right, and that's it pretty much. So a pretty simple, straightforward um, members area. Of course, there's going to be an introduction video, but it isn't ready as yet. This is because I'm doing the review before the product is actually launching. So yeah. Also, I took a look at some of the checklists, and to be honest, I saw some stuff in here that I wasn't aware of when it comes to keyword research, which was really cool. Um, there are checklists here on how to prepare to record, video templates, video monetization, video editing, which is something I don't actually do a lot of. These are pretty much off the cuff one takes, and yeah, that's why you'll probably realize a lot of issues, but I'm trying my best. Now, on checklist number 10, there's some YouTube stuff, a lot of really in-depth stuff. What I also like as well is the checklists on video traffic. So there's for email, blog, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and then there's live video. So really cool stuff. Um, I didn't check all of the checklists because I didn't get a chance to go through all of them, but but from the ones that I went through, I can tell you that there's a lot of cool stuff here, and it goes into a lot more detail than I actually go into when I'm doing my own videos. So this may be something that I need to pick up. However, what I can say from all the checklists that I've seen so far is that one, they do have a lot of detail, and two, based on the persons who are creating it, it's going to be more than enough to ensure that you have consistently high performing videos. So that's it with regards to the checklist. Now, you're probably wondering what the prices are going to be. So let's just head over back to the bonus page where I have some information on that. So for the front end, it's actually $17. This is, of course, the launch price. After launch, I think it goes up to either 22 or 27 bucks. Not sure. OTO 1 is the membership, which actually gives you checklists every month. So you pay $17 per month for every new checklist that comes out, because he has been doing this for a while now. I think he's been doing this from December, being that it's volume 5. Yep. Downsell is a $1 trial, then the $17 per month. Now, for OTO2, you get a reseller license, which means you get 100% commissions on every sale once you go ahead and promote this, which is pretty cool if you are interested in a product that is likely to sell. Now, I believe checklists are very useful, so if this is something that you're interested in as to sell with full 100% commissions, I would go for it. And then he has his I am VIP training, which is $197. So if you're impressed with the checklist and you think that you could benefit from some VIP coaching, then you can go ahead and check into this. To be honest, if there was any of the OTOs I would go with, there isn't one I would go with specifically because I don't believe that you'll need a membership, to be honest. The front end is pretty much all you're going to need. And when others come out, you can just go ahead and get those if you want. Because there's some that depending on how you structure your business, may be unnecessary. For example, with me, I am focusing primarily on email and video. So as of right now, those are the two, email and video checklists, are the ones that I'll be interested in the most. Now, the affiliate marketing one, yeah, that one is true because I do affiliate marketing as well. However, the those two are the ones I would choose. Social media, I don't do much social media, but it's something that I should. But as of right now, I want to master these two first. I think I have an okay grasp over email. Now, when it comes to video, that's the one I need to step it up a bit on. So those are the two. So I would just say look through the catalog. If there's one that is for what you're trying to focus on in your business, then I would get it. Now, it's obviously better to get these at the launch because the ones that I've passed, all of these aren't at 17 bucks anymore. But if you're interested in video marketing, and I think that everybody should be, then I would recommend getting this particular checklist. The OTOs aren't necessary, they're 100% optional. They're good to haves, but for me, the front end is more than enough for you to, get what you need. All right, so that's it from me for this review. I hope that you found it informative. Remember, if you're interested in getting IM Checklist Volume 5, you can just go ahead and click the link in the description. If you're viewing this via email, just click the link in the email and you'll be brought to this page with the different thumbnail, of course, and you'll be able to purchase it through my link by clicking any one of these buttons here. If you've gotten this far in the video, I want to thank you so much for watching. Hope that you were able to get some information from this that would be helpful in your buying decision. And I want to thank you so much for listening to my annoying voice, because I know it might not have been very easy. And if you liked the video, please go ahead and click a like. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And as always, click subscribe if you want to stay up to date on more reviews in the IM niche. My name is Jason Young, and I want to thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.